Hello, welcome again. We are solving some questions of thermal engineering. The topic is IC engine, gas turbine and compressor. Question number 84 is consider the following statements about modification in gas turbine power plant working on a simple Brayton cycle. 1. Incorporation of regeneration process increases specific work output as well as thermal efficiency. 2. Incorporation of regeneration process increases thermal efficiency but specific work output remains unchanged. 3. Incorporation of intercooling process in a multi-stage compression process increases specific work output but heat input also remains same. 4. Incorporation of intercooling process in a multi-stage compression system increases specific work output, the heat addition remains unchanged. Which of the above statements are correct? Option A 1 and 3, option B 1 and 4, option C 2 and 3 and option D 2 and 4. So here the statement 2 and 3 are correct. So answer is C. Okay. So why answer is C? So when we take this regeneration process, so in regeneration process the exhaust of the turbine is used to heat the exhaust of compressor. Okay, so it means we have to supply lesser amount of heat for the same amount of work done, because now we have to supply H3 minus H5 dash heat. Okay, initially we initially introduced, then the heat supplied is H3 minus H2. Okay, so it means for the same amount of heat supplied, the efficiency, more work, same work for the lesser amount of heat supplied, same amount of work done can be obtained, so it will improve efficiency, but the work output will remain same. Okay, so when we consider intercooling, so this is your intercooling. Okay, and in intercooling if we perform intercooling, then as the pressure lines are diverging nature, so here if there is no intercooling, then the compression process will be 1 4 dash. Okay, and if there is intercooling, then the compression process is 1 2 and 3 4. Okay, so it means the work is less as compared to this 2 4 dash, because this gap is more as compared to this. Okay, so but we have to supply more heat because we are starting from the point 4 and reaching up to point this point. Okay, so incorporation of intercooling reduces work because work has been reduced by this amount, but the gap 2 4 dash is more than, so but it increases work done, so it reduces work done. Okay, it reduces work but heat supplied is more. Okay, so third statement is correct, that is incorporation in intercooling process in a multi-stage compression process increases the specific work output. Okay, because the specific output is increased because the compressor work has been decreased, but the heat input also is increased. Okay, so answer is 2 and 3. Question number 85 and 86. Consider following features of a gas turbine plant. 1. Intercooling, 2. Regeneration, 3. Reheat. And answer these two questions. 85. Which of the above feature in a simple gas turbine cycle increases work ratio? Option A 1 2 and 3, option B 1 and 2, option C only 2 and 3, and option D only 1 and 3. So in case of intercooling, we have to determine the work ratio. So work ratio is net work by turbine work. Okay, net work by turbine work. Okay, so net work is WT minus WC and WT is your turbine work. Okay, so when we take intercooling, so it reduces WC. because of this diverging nature of pressure line as explained in previous video. So work ratio will, as WC will decrease, so work ratio will increase because WT will remain same. Okay, and reheating, if we reheat, then it increases the turbine work. Okay, so as 2 4 dash to 3 4 is more than 2 4 dash, because of the same text that they view there, the turbine work will be more because of diverging nature of pressure line. So that will be WT minus WC by WT. So work ratio is 1 minus WC by WT. Okay. So as WT increases, the work ratio will decrease. Okay. Sorry, as WT increases, this factor will decrease and work ratio will increase. Okay. So both reheating as well as intercooling increases work ratio. Okay, so answer is option B. B, sorry. Regeneration and reheating. Sorry. Only one the intercooling and reheating will increase work ratio. Whereas regeneration does not have any effect on work ratio. The work ratio remains same because it only heats the exit of compressor by using the exhaust of turbine. Okay. So that is involved with heating process, and these two are involved with work, so that's why they will increase work ratio. Okay. Question number 86: which of the above feature in a simple gas turbine cycle increases efficiency? So regeneration increases efficiency because we have to supply lesser heat. Okay. Because we have to supply, regeneration will increase because we have to supply lesser heat for same amount of work done. Okay. Whereas intercooling and reheating do not improve efficiency; it only improves work ratio. Okay. Because with intercooling and reheating, heat supplied is also increases. Heat supplied also increases because here we have to supply more heat, and in reheating we have to supply this extra heat. So these are involved with work ratio and no improvement in efficiency observed. So answer is option B. Option B. Only 86. Option B. It will be regeneration. Efficiency will be improved by only regeneration. Okay.